Heart as sound is our next small sitting. Find a comfortable seat on your knees or cross-legged, long spine, proud chin. Connect with your breath as you drop your frontal brain into your heart space. Today, we own in on spanda, which is the vibration of the spiritual heart. It's your heart if it had a sound. The heart is thought to have a mystical silent sound that resounds continually. Its vibration is actually called anahata sanba, which can be loosely translated into unstuck sound. Remember our first meditation as you breathe in, as you breathe out. When we honored the heart as luminous, anahata, which meant unearthed, unstuck, and unbreathing. Today, we learn that sound brings you beauty and healing, recognizing that your heart as a sound brings you beauty and healing. Today's sitting is about deep listening. Hearing out is always about deep listening, about getting unstuck and moving out of your head and into your heart, quieting the mind so you can hear your own song. What melody might you sing? Continue breathing in, easeful breathing. Bow to your breath. Listen to its healing. Continually connecting to the warm, steady light at the center of your chest. The light that continues to warm you always. This light is luminous, magnificent, and whole. Finishing with the mantra, only in love. You are welcome to receive the mantra or to sing it with me. Bathing in the vibrational field that makes up the simple mantra word, only in love. And we may begin. Only in love, 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 Take a nice breath in and a deep breath out. Long. From my heart to your heart. Namaste.